teaching my Indian boyfriend how to cook Mexican quesadilla.
Mexican quesadilla. You're not
I learned
Mexican.
how to cook it in Russia, but it is a Mexican quesadilla.
You are not Mexican.
It will work. So we need curry, capsicum, cheese.
Yes.
House cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese. You guys don't have words in Malayalam. And chopped tomatoes.
That is
Chopped
tomato.
Tomato. Takali.
Takkali, yes.
Yes! And chopped tomatoes.
കട്ട് ചെയ്തു.
Huh?
മുറിച്ച തക്കാളി.
Moricha takali. Yes, I can cook too. Fry the pepper. See, Pati, you want curry? Curry venom?
പൊടി വേണോ?
Sit. Pa. Adapa. Jump. Good girl.
പൊടി.
Ilakuga.
മലയാളി.
Hmm.
Look. മലയാളി.
Короче.
കുറച്ച് മലയാളി.
Короче, Malayalam.
Hello.
Itakali. My God.